Hi friends, welcome to this week's How To Tuesday. We're going to keep it simple today. We're going to work with just a few tools, not a bunch of stuff. It's definitely going to be black and white charcoal. I have my black and white charcoal General's pencils, General's charcoal black and white. And then I also grabbed some Vine charcoal, a stick charcoal, a couple different size stick charcoals for density, thick spots. And then I grabbed some of my blending stumps for charcoal. I keep my blending stumps separate. I have pastel ones, I have graphite ones, and I have charcoal ones. If you hear anything in the background, let me just apologize now. My husband and I both work from home, so you might hear him talking because he's in meetings all day long. And we have a tiny home. So yeah, I apologize now. So anyways, also I brought my mini vac, my handheld mini vac. You can find them on Amazon. They're all different styles. These, they're like a mini crumb vac for the table or just a mini hand vac. You can find either one. I use my Pro Artist tape to tape down my Strathmore. I'm using the 184 pound toned tan mixed media paper by Strathmore. One of my favorites now. I love it. I love it. And this is the size I'm going to work on. I just cut it down. You can do any size you want, but I taped it down with my Pro Artist tape to my board because I think I'm going to use some Titan Buff to clean, I have an idea, so we'll see. I may or may not, but if I do, I always do this. If I think I'm going to use a wet medium, I always tape it down because I don't want to deal with warping. If I don't, I don't. That's fine. But if I'm ready and prepared if that's the case. So, okay. I think I'm going to work this way today. So we'll see. And yeah, I think I'm going to work this way today. I have some ideas, but it'll be fun. It's going to be a moody piece. You know me, I like the drama, I like the moody, I like the depth, I'm obsessed with charcoal and pastel, and I'm so grateful that you're on that journey with me because I get to have so much fun with it. I get to have fun doing what I love. Isn't it just amazing? So cool. And it's because of you guys. It's very much because of you guys, because you enjoy it as well. So I'm super grateful. And on that note, if you like what you're seeing and you're enjoying How To Tuesdays, please like and subscribe and click that bell so you get the personal notifications. Also, I would love for you guys to check out my Patreon channel. Please, please, please. I have some great things for my patrons, and I would be honored if you would take a peek and see and join. It's super fun, and I have lots of really cool ideas planned, you guys. So I'm excited, and I would be honored if you checked it out. And finally, but not last but not least, I have a Facebook page called Next Generation Art, JEN for generation, and I have 4 weekly prompts. I keep you guys busy. I have lots of fun stuff. You have to do nothing, of course. There's no pressure, but I have all different kinds of prompts, different kinds of classes. This is one of them, the How To Tuesdays. I would love for you guys to join us. All of the information for my Patreon and my Facebook page will be in the description box down below. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. heat it, and then remember, keep it flat and peel. And do the same thing. The trick is not to touch the borders with my charcoal covered fingers. Look at that delicious edge. Woo-hoo. Sure, if I came in with a black pen and just made lines, fine lines all the way around it, that would be a really cool effect actually. I think I might do that. All right, you guys, thank you, thank you, thank you. They're done. These are our happy next generation mascots. All right, you guys, have a great week, and I will see you next week. Take care. Bye.